Gears are sounding good. Let's check the app. The app says, hey, we're gonna read it. Oh, we got a few more. We got 49. Okay, let's try that again. But first, before we do that, we're gonna check some temps because we were running. There's some push on that. Let's see here. Got a blinking light down there. All right, your ESC is now 81.3. I don't know if you can see that on my knees. The motor back 73. It seems like your motor's staying pretty cool, man. Gears 69. Man, your stuff's staying cool, man. That's a good thing. All right, so let's do track, start. All right, wait for these cars to pass, and then we'll send it. It's running good out here, man. Like this. Nah, we got a car coming, so we'll wait. Wait before we send it down the street. Alright, there you go. Trying to get some of this done before a lot of people come home. So alright, here we go. Full throttle. Let off. Whew. And it went up the curve. Perfect. Coming back. Full throttle. Off. Slowing down. Woo! That was probably the best run so far. Best run. What we got? What do we got? What we got here? What we got here? We got stop, read, 52. 52, baby. All right, let's go one more round. We're gonna track it, start it, and then we're gonna call it a day. 52, and she still sounds good. She's running good, running smooth, staying cool. We'll test everything when we get done. All right, so no cars. Let's send it. Shit, bus. Gotta stop, buddy, gotta stop. Bus take precedence, man. Bus takes precedence. Alright, so we're gonna clear that one real quick. We're gonna stop, read. That was only 32 for that short distance. So we're gonna track it, start it, wait for the bus to go, get out the way. That's what I was trying to do. Get done before all these people come. One more test, down and back, baby, down and back. And it doesn't seem, as I ease on the throttle, it doesn't want to seem to do wheelies, which is what I was hoping it would do, wouldn't do. All right, bus is leaving. No cars to the right, no cars to the left. Nobody in the street. Let's script it. Full throttle. Stop. Ooh. Bring it back. Full throttle. Alright. Locked up the brakes. Alright, so we got stop, read, 53. Alright. I'm actually gonna stop it here. Turn off my GPS. Turn off device. Okay. Alright, so GPS is turned off. Truck ran really good. Had a little applied the brakes a little too hard. It is sensitive on the brakes. Well, man, it sure popped that back end out. So let's listen. So, as we can see after doing the speed runs, gears don't seem to be having issues. Running good, turns strong. That servo in there is turning it good, quick. You know, it's running good. All right. So now let's do the real test. Full on test. Put this down. Pull up this body. All right. Pull off this can. Hand touch. Dude, this can is cold. ESC. It's probably room temperature. ESC. Double lasers. 80.2. Can 78.4. How much? And that air. Just do it on the end. Even on the end is 74.8. Dude, everything looks good. Now we're gonna go bring it upstairs and pull the data logs. See how it goes. She ran like a champ. All right, next time you'll see the data logs.